Okay, so now we have part 2 of my A&A Supercharger kit unboxing. I've got everything laid out on the bench here. So here is the T-trim head unit, which is good to 900 horsepower. I am looking for only 600 at this point, so that'll give me room to expand later if I want to. And then here we have the mounting brackets, and then the hose clamps, and the tubes. This one goes from the head unit down to the charge tubing, and this one goes from the charge tube into the hose and the intercooler. This goes to the Turbo Smart blow-off valve. Here we have our spacers and our bolts for our mounting brackets. And here we have our spark plugs, 80-pounder injectors. Over here we have our intercooler and our side air ducts, one here and the other one right here. And right there is the duckbill. There's our charge tube from the intercooler into the engine. This is our air filter duct. And in this bag here, in this bag we have the Kenny Bell booster pump, and in here we have the C6 heater, hose extension kit, and some vacuum hoses, the C6 intercooler mounting brackets and hardware, radiator spacer, and the pin kit for pinning the crank. And that's pretty much it. Looks like a good kit, so I'm excited to get it mounted.